Hi, so let's continue with our Seed Studio exploration, and now we're going to look into this pack over here. Now inside this pack, it has three ESP32 S3 chips. All right, so let's open it up and explore. So this is the Seed Studio pack. So let me open it up here. Okay, so when you open up this pack, you will see three ESP32 S3 chips and their header pins. All right, now before you use these chips, definitely you need to do the soldering. So I have the first one, as you can see, is not there. I already taken it out and I've done the soldering. So let me bring this out here. Now this is the soldered, okay, the soldered IC chip. Now how do you do the soldering? So the best way to do the soldering is to use a breadboard. Now with the breadboard, what I would suggest you to do is to take out the header pins, and place them based on the distance that or the gap between the two columns, and place the header pins accordingly. To do some slight measurements and then place them accordingly in the breadboard. Okay, once that is done, then you place your IC chip such that it will fit nicely onto the pins, which are already stable and solidly secured within the breadboard. Okay, why is this important? Okay, because when you're soldering and if the header pins, all right, are slightly misaligned, that means instead of being at a right angle with the board, slightly shifted, okay, it can become an issue later when you want to mount this same chip onto some other board, all right, because of the slight misalignment. All right, so that is why putting them on the breadboard and soldering them is very important. Okay, so once you have soldered it, you will get something like this. Okay, so over here you can see that all the pins are soldered. All right, that is always the first step. Okay, again, please be very careful. Just put the right amount of solder that is needed to make sure that you have a very good connection. And once that is done, I will bring you to my next video where we'll explore how we can mount this onto our expansion board and download our first code. So thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video.